Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video ads using AI. Here you can go and type hello AI dot video. This one is the platform that uses latest model of AI. So first of all you can create a free account. After creating an account, here you can go back to the ChatGPT and you can create a prompt. For example, let me add here, create a prompt for my web design company. Name is Enable Website Design. And after that, here you can see a professional prompt is in progress. Now simply we can copy this prompt and then here we can add that prompt. Okay, after that click on create button, and now here you can see with this prompt this video is ready. So after you add a prompt, then here you can select the resolution and select the add time. So after that, here you can see this one is the result that I got using this prompt.